fun with the letter F. Meet the letter F. To make it sound, put your top teeth on your bottom lip and puff out a little air like a tiny breeze. It sounds like F, 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 F. F is for fish. Fish live underwater and use fins to swim. They blow little bubbles and come in many bright colors like orange, blue, and yellow. F is for frog. Frogs are green friends that love to hop. They have long, sticky tongues to catch flies and enjoy sitting on lily pads in the pond. F is for fox. A fox has a big bushy tail and soft orange fur. They are very clever animals that live in the woods and have pointy ears to hear everything. F is for flamingo. These tall birds are bright pink. They like to stand on just one leg in the water. They look like big, fluffy pink clouds on sticks. F is for fig. A fig is a sweet, purple fruit. Inside, it has many tiny seeds. It is a healthy snack that grows on a big, shady tree. F is for fern. A fern is a green plant with many tiny leaves. They love to grow in quiet, shady places in the forest where it is nice and cool. F is for flower. Flowers grow in the garden and smell very sweet. They can be red, yellow, or purple. They open their petals to say hello to the sun. F is for fennel. Fennel is a green vegetable that looks a bit like an onion with feathers on top. It tastes a little bit like black licorice. F is for forest. A forest is a big place filled with many tall trees and plants. It is a home for many animals to play and sleep in the shade. F is for fruit. Fruit is a yummy treat from nature. Apples, pears, and grapes are all types of fruit that help us grow big and strong. F is a fantastic letter. We learned about the fish, frog, fox, flamingo, fig, fern, flower, fennel, forest, and fruit. Can you find more F words today?